Your New Year's resolutions might need this new pen, but the important question is, which one? Benu's new Daily Mate collection has 7 pins, and they're here just in time for the new year. Each pin in this collection is a day of the week, and each day of the week comes with a daily affirmation. Choose the pin that calls your name and see what sort of daily affirmation you should focus on. Plus, they're really beautiful in absolute Benu style. This is Lively Tuesday, and it's a vivid blue with red and orange sparkling throughout it. All the pins in the Daily Mate collection have the silver trim. They have the classic spring metal pin clip. They have a threaded cap and a stainless steel number 6 nib. On the cap, right under the pin clip, it has the Benu name. And then you'll see here a good look at that stainless steel nib. It is the Benu nib that is on other popular models that you already love. It is a cartridge converter fountain pen, and the Benu pins are compatible with standard international size cartridges or converters. So you can pull out the converter that's already installed and switch it for a cartridge if you'd like. Okay, and that was a look at Fresh Monday, followed by Exciting Friday. And this is Easy Wednesday. All Wednesdays should be easy. I'm supporting that. This is Relaxing Sunday. This is a look at Creative Thursday. And then you also have Joyful Saturday. And you can get all 7 days of the week in fine, medium, or broad size nibs to suit your own writing preference. Get a good look at penchalet.com to see which day of the week is your favorite and should join your pin collection. These are great pins by Benu, a trusted name in the pin industry, and it's a new pin design. I really like the contouring of that barrel. It makes it really interesting, but is also really comfortable. Get a better look now at penchalet.com.